like the topic which was given to me is music and the only legend Ilayaraja. Okay, I just want to ask you one question. What is music? Can anyone define it, please?
Music.
Sri Ram.
Okay, good one.
Music, it's a way of life.
Way of
It's a
what do you feel?
combination of sounds.
Okay, what about you?
Sarigama.
Okay, maybe we can find various definitions about music, but according to my perspective, the music is the one that blends in our life. Like it starts from the baby which was born, because it was when it was born, like it was shouting and it was giving a sweet voice. So that can be recognized as a music. And till your life ends, like most of the people, especially there's a tradition in Tamil Nadu, maybe others you might not be knowing that. Like when a person dies, like they play music before the ceremony. So this is what we say, the music starts from the birth and till the life ends. Okay, does anyone know Ilayaraja? Heard of? How about you? Akas, do you know who is Ilayaraja? Okay, he is one of the best composers in India. Okay, so let me not move much into music side because my topic is more related to music and Ilayaraja. Let me define what the ingredients that music has. Say, as Purba said, it consists of sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni. Maybe you can define like sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. So we can define this way. Maybe if you say in Western notation, you can say C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay? So this is how they define music, and it consists of 7 notes in Western music, or in classical music we can say it is a 7 swaras. Okay. So there are a lot of composers who have been in this India and the worldwide who have made a lot of compositions. Now you can ask me a question, why do you take Ilayaraja as a legend? Okay, I will come to that. This guy, my icon, my idol, was born in a small district in Tamil Nadu, that too in Madurai, a place called Pannayapuram. To Ramaswamy and Chinnathayi Ammal, where Ramaswamy is a small farmer and Chinnathayi Ammal is also assisting him. Okay. This music director doesn't have any base of music, only when they work in the field, they sing. So that is the base for his music. And also, he defines music in such a way, when a mother was singing for his lullaby, music that for a kid, so that he defines as a music. So from that, like when he was working with people, when he was around 5 years old, there was an engineer with whom he was working, and he was singing a song. So from then, he was encouraged towards music. And I want to let you know, guys, some of the hidden facts and hardships he has undergone to reach this particular level. First thing, you might, if you go and search any websites or anything, you will be getting the life history of Ilayaraja, but I am not going to tell you about that. I am going to tell you, there are certain facts which you need to know. First thing, he moved from Pannayapuram to a town called Chennai, now it's a city. So, where he needs to adapt to the culture, and he has come out with a small trunk box with the dilapidated dresses, and as well as with a small harmonium. And for per day meal, like he had only a bread and a tea, and he earned 2 rupees per day, for which he used 1 rupee for his meal. And for the 1 rupee, what he did, he had there's a theatre called Shanti in Chennai, where he used to go and watch the movie, not to see the movie, but to see what the re-recording that has been done in the movie. And there are instances where his first music he was arranged around 10,000 people, 100 people in the orchestra. But the producer said, okay, why do you want to make 100 people in orchestra where it is cost effectiveness and you cannot make people like that? And finally he sat and he got a penny for the first movie he has done, and he was sitting outside the AVM studio, which was the famous studio in Chennai, where he was saying, how am I going to complete this particular movie? But from that first movie till now, 31 years, he is ruling the Tamil industry. It is because of his perseverance, his hard work and his dedication. First thing, he starts off his work right from the morning 7 o'clock and ends with 9 o'clock in the night. And apart from that, he will never work. And he has made a record of composing music for 10 movies within a day. I feel there is no one has done something like that. And he is the only one music director who has gone and abroad to make Maestro, and he is the one who has made Tiruvasagam. So what I would suggest is, like, let this music be world over and give peace to all, and long live Mr. Ilayaraja. Thank you.